The TikTok creativity program is by far the best way to make money online in 2024. It pays nearly as much as YouTube, and you don't have to spend hours editing long-form content. In this video, I'll show you how to create these viral motivation videos that generate millions of views. And I'll also reveal some secret tricks that only the top 1% of all creators are using to go even more viral. The motivation niche is one of the best right now, as it has the potential to skyrocket your RPM. When most people try the old niches like the podcast clip niche or the Reddit stories niche, they find that their RPM plummets into the floor. And it's this reason that so many people get to that 10K follower mark and then quit because TikTok gave them an RPM of 7 cents. Alright, now that I've explained why the motivation niche is so good, let's waste no time and get into creating this content. The first part of our video is the script. A good script in this niche should include factors like a deep meaning, help people become the best version of themselves, and it has to be motivating towards our audience. There's two ways that we can begin generating our script. The first one is to ask our good friend ChatGPT. Once on ChatGPT, you want to enter this prompt that I'll leave in this video's description. Remember, you want to make sure the script that ChatGPT has given you is over 1 minute long, as your video needs to quality for the creativity program. While this ChatGPT method is quick and easy, I know of a way that we can get a script that is 10x better. You want to head to TikTok and search for motivation, find a video that you like in this niche, make sure it's over 1 minute long, and copy the link. You then want to head to this website called snaptik.app, paste in the TikTok link, and hit download. You now want to head over to descript.com and download that also. This will allow us to extract the script from this viral video. Once Descript has done its magic, copy the script, head to ChatGPT, paste in the script, and ask it to rewrite it. Now you can pick whatever script you want. However, for this video's example, I'm going to choose the one we just created. The next thing we need is voiceover. And as always, we're going to be using my beloved 11 Labs. Go on the website through the link in the description and head to Voice Library. You want to pick a voice that's going to be all deep and motivating for our video. A voice that's going to drive fire into our viewers' hearts and make them feel so motivated that they'll watch the whole video and make us some money. Once you've found a voice, head back to speech synthesis, select your voice, and hit generate. Once the voiceover is ready, hit download. We now want to start gathering the luxury lifestyle visuals that we're going to show in the background of our video. We need to change the visual every 2 seconds in order to keep our viewers engaged, so in that case, we'll need 30 visuals. Pexels is a great site that's full of free visuals that you can use for any sort of project. In this case, I'm going to search for luxury and other terms. Make sure that you've selected videos and that you've changed the orientation to vertical. Then click on clips that you think are fitting and download them. I'm going to fast forward this process, but remember, you want about 30. It's now time to edit our video. I'm going to use CapCut as it's free, and you can find it at CapCut.com. If you want to use a different editor, that's fine. It won't be too different. Once we're on CapCut, you want to start by importing our media. Do this by clicking this plus button here. Start by dragging our voiceover onto the timeline like so. You then want to zoom in on the parts where there is no audio, hit B on your keyboard, and click either side like this to split them. Next, press A, select this middle part, and delete it. Finally, drag the two remaining parts together. We do this because dead air pauses like this can lower video retention, which increases our chance of going viral. You want to repeat this process throughout your audio. If your audio is now under a minute, don't worry. You can still make the clips over 1 minute long to quality for the creativity program. Speaking of the clips, let's add them. Drag them onto this timeline here. Once your first one is added, you want to hit this ratio drop down here, and make sure to click 9:16 so your video is in the TikTok format. Now go back, select your clip, and crop it to 2 seconds long. It doesn't have to be perfect, but try and get it around 2 seconds. Now add the rest of your clips and crop them to 2 seconds also. This does take a minute. However, it's worth it to ensure that the retention of our video is high. Just repeat this until you reach the end of the voiceover, or if your voiceover isn't long enough, repeat it until you reach 1 minute. Our video is looking pretty good now, but there's 2 more things we want to do to give our video its own unique look. First of these is to add a dust filter. I find that this gives your video a unique look that not many accounts have, and it can really add a sense of branding to your video. You can just download a basic one off YouTube. Once you've dragged in your dust filter, you want to add it into your timeline and make sure that it lasts the entire duration of your video. Then you want to enlarge it so that it covers the full screen. Finally, go to the top right of CapCut, scroll down, and lower the opacity until you are fine with the finished image. Our video is almost done. There's just one more branding thing we want to add. Almost every TikTok video these days has these engaging captions, and our video will be no exception. You want to head to text in the top right, then select auto captions, then hit generate. CapCut will take a minute, but you'll be left with perfect captions for your speech. These captions are okay, but we can make them a whole lot better. Firstly, center them in the middle of the screen by simply dragging them there. Next, select a font that you like from the drop-down menu. I'm gonna go with this one. Scroll down further and check the boxes under stroke and shadow. Finally, head to animation and then captions, and select one you like also. It's extremely important that you're 100% happy with your captions, as you want to keep the same style for all our videos in the future. You may have noticed that there's no music. Don't worry, as you want to add a trending sound when you upload to TikTok. Our video should be done now, and so is this guide. Thanks for watching.